SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Hi, and welcome to our channel. I'm Matt from Solve Your Tech. Today we're going to show you how to delete apps from an iPhone 13. If you're running out of iPhone storage, or if your home screen is just too cluttered, then this tutorial is going to show you two options that you can use to take care of that. So let's jump into our video about how to uninstall apps on an iPhone 13. The first and easiest way to delete an app on an iPhone 13 is to find the app that you want to delete, tap and hold on it, choose the Remove App option, tap Delete App, then choose Delete again to confirm. The second option for deleting an app on your iPhone is to open the Settings app, scroll down and select the General option, tap iPhone Storage, then you're going to have to wait a second for that screen to load. You can then select the app that you want to delete, tap the Delete App button, then choose Delete App again to confirm.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.